Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off Do Not Disturb schedule in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for D&D options, we have to go to Settings, then in Notifications we have Do Not Disturb menu. And right here we have our schedule setup. We can simply turn off Do Not Disturb, but our schedule will be still active. So we can change it, of course, days, time, done, etc. Save, or we can simply disable this active schedule right here, and now we can manually turn it off and on whenever we want. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.